How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and today we are taking a quick look at NIO. NIO because today there has been some unusual options activity. And what is that? Options are bets that people are placing where they believe a stock will move up or move down, and in the process, make a nice profit if it goes their way. If they can buy a call, stock price moves into their desired strike price, goes in the money, and then has its intrinsic and extrinsic value. Options are great ways to make a good amount of money in the stock market. And someone has bought many options, call options to be exact, on NIO. Someone's betting for a huge move to the upside. So what are we looking at? What do I believe could happen? Well, first of all, that is a very good sign for people who are long NIO, because if someone's willing to take a huge bet, because this option trader who is making this bet is putting a lot of money down, a lot of money on the line. I believe they want to see NIO go back up to its all-time high of $58.80, if not push and go all the way to $60. Is it possible? Very much. With some light technical analysis, I can already foresee that this stock has had a good cool down. Its biggest support was $40. So this is its zone right now. Today had kind of a little bit of a sell-off. We are looking at the 4-hour, and what can I see? What do I see in the 4-hour? I am seeing a nice bull flag, or a bullish wedge right here, to be more exact. So a huge buying the day before on December 2nd, a little bit of cool off, and now I foresee this stock maybe tomorrow hopefully has another nice run if there's enough buying pressure and a lot of buyers do step in to start purchasing NIO for whatever reason. Maybe some news that we don't know is going to come out, some more projections, another positive rating, an upgrade to the stock. Whatever the catalyst may be, it looks like something is going to move NIO. And if it was to pop up, what kind of movement would I predict? I'm looking at a nice $5 movement in one day, just getting some of this bullish flag, and we can see NIO hitting $50. The other thing that I could possibly see was that people could probably argue is in the longer time frame, in the 1 day, it looked like we were consolidating downwards, and this is another great support line right here, and for the same reason we could have a nice bounce. I wouldn't be surprised to see people for this stock to hit 51, 52 in the near future, if not tomorrow, being the last trading day of the week, Friday. Then let's see what happens all the way till Monday of next week. NIO showing great signs, a lot of trading volume. This is good, this is healthy. Our buyers gonna continue to take NIO to the moon. I've heard some people predicting NIO to $100. Possibly, again, anything can happen. NIO is still a very popular hype stock, so you do not want to miss it with these movements if you are going to be careful. If you're going to hold NIO long term, good luck to you, because you're gonna be running into some crazy volatility now. I'm just trying to predict market movement. For me, also to take an opportunity to trade this, to day trade it, because I can make more money, leave, and not worry about when it has another sell off, unfortunately. So that's my quick analysis on this stock NIO. What has happened in the past has happened already. Obviously, we know it's had its huge great run. If you bought shares at a very early on price, you are well in a great profit zone. When do you take profits? When do you sell NIO? That is totally up to you. I'd personally, be taking some off the table if you are not being able to sleep at night. The last huge pendant wedge was this one, where it took it to its all-time high of 58, but now I see it cooling down. This was an overreaction right here. That's why we popped back up. This shows great desire for this stock, the fact that it was able to be brought back into this zone. If anything, this little pendant is inside the bigger pendant for a bigger move, which would confirm this unusual large trading options volume that someone purchased, that not only do they want $50 price tag on NIO soon, but shortly after, maybe a couple of weeks, by the end of maybe next week, the stock will continue to shred and go up and up and up and hit that $60 price tag right here. So great possibility. Again, are more buyers going to step up? What's NIO going to do? What's the company? Are they going to report something? We don't know. Again, for someone to take a huge bet, you know, they must have a little nice tip. And the only tip that I have is, you know, to use your risk management, use your own technical analysis. This is mine. This is what I see. I'm bullish on the stock, especially because it's very adored by a lot of people. So this gives it great sentiment. The fact that it had a nice cooling off period makes me confident to, you know, to position myself to take a nice trade on it. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you own any NIO? Do you like the stock? Do you buy shares? Do you dislike day traders who make this stock volatile? Because you know, we're trying to profit when it goes up and we profit when it goes down. Unfortunately, most long-term holders don't profit when we go down. So you're like, screw you guys, like stop. We only want to go up. We only want to go. I know, I understand. If I could just buy a call option and let the stock run, that would be amazing. But, you know, it is what it is. This is the stock market. It's unfair. Everybody's out to get everyone. That's the reality. All right, guys. Have a great day. Keep NIO on your watch list. It's had a nice cool off. Even though it had a sell-off, is it time to buy NIO? Again, probably in the short term, it's going to look like yes, before it hits a new all-time high. And then we might see another sell-off. Oof. That's just a warning and a reality of what could happen. Could I be wrong and it could just continue go up like the last couple of months? Yes, but more unlikely. You know, I'm pretty spot on. Just kidding.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.